2007-2008 financial crisis. 2007 bank runs on a Northern Rock on a UK bank. The financial crisis of 2007-2008 causes significant stress on the banking around the world. The failure of the large number of the major banks resulted in a government bailout, the collapse of the fire sale of the Bear Stearns to the JP Morgan Chase in the March 2018 at the collapse of the Lehman Brothers, and in the September that same year led to the credit crunch and a global banking crisis. In the response, governments around the world bail out, nationalize or arrange fire sales for the large number of the major banks, starting with the Irish government on the 29th September 2008. Government around the world provided wholesale guarantee to the underwriting banks to avoid the panic of the system failure to the whole banking system. These events spanned the term too big to fail and resulted in a lot of discussion about the moral hazards of these actions. Major events in the history of banking: 1100 Knights Templar run earliest European wide and medius banking until the 14th century. 1397 the Medici Bank of the Florence is established in Italy and operate until 1494. 1542 the Great Disabasement, the English crown policy of the coin disabasement during the reign of the Henry VIII and Edward VI. 1553 the first joint stock company, the Company of the Merchant Adventure to New Land, was chartered in the land. 1602 the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was established by the Dutch East India Company for dealing in its printing stock and bonds. 1609 the Amsterdam Wholesale Bank was founded. 1656 the first European bank to the used banknotes opened in Sweden for the private client. In 1668 the institution converted to a public bank. 1690s the Massachusetts Bay Colony was the first of the 13 colonies to the issues permanently circulating banknotes. 1694 the Bank of England was funded to supply money to the English king. 1695 the Parliament of Scotland created the Bank of Scotland. 1716 John Law opened Bank Journals in the finance. 1717 Master of the Royal Ministry Sir Isaac Newton established a new mint ratio between the silver and the gold that had the effect of the driving silver out of circulation and putting Britain on a gold standard. 1720 the South Seal Bubble and the John Law's Mississippi Scheme failure caused a European financial crisis and forced many bankers out of the businesses. 1775 the first building society, Cattley's Building Society, was established in the Birmingham, England. 1782 the Banks of the North America opened. 1791 the first Bank of the United States was chartered by the United States Congress for 20 years. 1800 the Rothschild families establishes European-wide banking. 1800 Napoleon Bonaparte founded the Bank of France on 18 January. 1811 the Senate ties on a vote to renew the charter of the first Bank of the United States. Charter Vice President George Clinton broke the tie and the vote against the renewal of the bank was dissolved. 1816 the second Bank of the United States was chartered for 5 years after the first Bank of the United States lost its charter. This charter was also for the 20 years. The bank was created to finance the country in the after the war of the 1812. 1817 the New York Stock Exchange Board was established. 1818 the first saving banks of the Paris was established. 1825 panic of 1825 in which 70 UK banks failed. 1862 to finance the American Civil War, the federal government under US presidency Abraham Lincoln issues legal tender paper money called the greenback. 1874 the Spice Payments Resumption Act was passed, provided for the redemption of the United States paper currency in gold beginning in 1979. 1913 the Federal Reserve Act created the Federal Reserve System, the central banking system of the United States, and the bank beginning in 1979. 1913 the Federal Reserve Act created the Federal Reserve System, the central bank system of the United States, and granted it the legal authority to the issues legal tender. 1930-1933 in the wake of the Wall Street crash of 1929, 9,000 banks closed, whipped out only one-third of the money supply in the United States. 1933 Executive Order 6102 signed by U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt forbade ownership of the gold coin, gold bullion, and gold certificates by US citizens beyond a certain amount, effectively ending the convertibilities of the US dollar into the gold. 1971, the Nixon shock was series of the economic measures taken by US President Richard Nixon, which cancelled the direct convertibilities of the United States dollar to gold, the foreign nation. This essentially ended the existence Bretton Woods system of international financial exchange. 1986, the Big Bang deregulation of the London financial markets served as a catalyst to reform London's position as a global center of the world banking. 2007, start of the late 2000 financial crisis that saw the credit crunch that led to the failure and bailout of the large number of the world's biggest banks. 2008, Washington Mutual collapse, the largest bank failure in the history up to that point.